Lesson 1. The Core Problem and Economic Systems. Welcome to your first lesson on Economics Fundamentals. At the heart of all economics is one fundamental problem: scarcity. Scarcity happens because our resources are limited, but human wants are unlimited. Because of this, every society must choose how to allocate its resources. Whenever we make a choice, we face an opportunity cost, which is the value of the next best alternative you give up. For example, if you spend 3 hours revising economics instead of working a job that pays €8 an hour, your opportunity cost is €24 in foregone wages. To produce things, we use factors of production, such as capital, which includes man-made resources like machinery and factory buildings. We can visualize production choices using a production possibility curve. This curve usually bows outward, which reflects increasing opportunity cost because resources are not equally suited to producing all goods. If an economy is operating at a point inside this curve, it means resources are underutilized or producing inefficiently. How do societies decide what to produce? In a free market economy, resource allocation is driven by the price mechanism through the interaction of demand and supply. Prices signal scarcity without the need for central planning. However, most modern economies, including Malta, are mixed economies. This means they combine free market allocation with government intervention, using tools like taxation and public goods to help allocate resources effectively.